Hey guys, Andrew here, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to convert your data into table. So as you can see here, I tried to create a little simple table here, pretty boring one. But if you want to quickly, let's say, spice this up or make it look more presentable, you can easily convert the data into a table. Now, all you have to do is just simple highlight those data or the area where you have the layout of the data. And from here, just simple go to format. Once you go to format in the list, you will have one option that says convert to table, or you can easily use a shortcut that says Control Alt and T. Once you click in that, guys, it will quickly convert your data into a table. And how cool is that? Look how quick and easy that is. So that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple. So if you're ever working on any Google Sheet document and you're filling some things and you're filling in your data there and you'd like to quickly convert this into a table, it is super easy to do. Highlight the content that is there and just go to where you have your format option at the top here and click on convert the table, and it will quickly convert it for you guys. Very easy and very simple. And you can always go ahead and make changes to the colors. As you can see, you can always change your own stuff if you so desire. You can play around with colors and so forth. It's really up to you how you want to do it, right? So this is the easiest way, guys, how to go ahead and convert your data into table. Hope you found this useful, and if you do, give this video a like. Let me know in the comments below if you have any question, guys. Hit that subscribe button, and thank you guys for watching.